Are you interested in eco-printing or felting? Would you like to grow your own dye plants or trees and use them in your textile studio? If you answered yes to any of these questions, please hit the subscribe button to follow my journey as I develop an environmentally conscious textile practice at Clasheen in rural southeast Ireland. My name is Nicola Brown, and 3 words describe my practice: simple, natural and crafted. Expect plenty of tips, inspiration and mini tutorials here on my YouTube channel. I'm passionate about what I do and love helping others develop their gardens, their felting or their eco-printing too. If you've liked what you've seen, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for weekly tips, advice and updates from the textile studio, garden and trees at Clasheen.